there comes a point where a belief stops explaining the world and starts explaining itself. And after that, evidence no longer informs it, it only tests your loyalty to the belief system. Every belief system eventually builds a loop. If it succeeds, it proves itself, and if it fails, then the failure has to be reinterpreted as confirmation. Nothing exits the loop, nothing enters unfiltered, and at that point, the system is no longer descriptive, it is self sealing. In a healthy system, error is information. In closed systems, error is a threat. Mistakes are explained away, contradictions get reframed, outcomes are declared inevitable. The system survives, contact reality does not. Eventually, observation becomes unnecessary, and the explanation shows up before the evidence does, and the experience is forced to comply afterward. You could just not believe your lying eyes. Reality no longer needs to be consulted. It's just interpreted until it agrees with what you already think. This feels like understanding, but it's actually insulation. Perfect stability is not health. It means that nothing is allowed to move. When a framework cannot be surprised, cannot be embarrassed, cannot admit uncertainty, it stopped learning and it starts dying. What looks like confidence is often paralysis that's disguised as coherence. At some point, you make a trade. Understanding is exchanged for orientation. Having accuracy as to what's going on, you trade for belonging. Correction, you change for continuity. Nothing dramatic happens. Everything just becomes harder to question. The most dangerous beliefs are not the loud ones. They're the ones that feel finished, feel complete. If something here feels disorienting for you, it's not conclusion. That's a system that's losing its monopoly on your attention. Good luck with that.